Over cause yeah. Okay, based on theory.
Guys, no be small thing. I will actually play the rest of the clip for us to see the rest of the moment Portable was having in trenches as he took his newly acquired G-wagon to his trenches car wash for them to wash it. No be small thing. 2 seconds, Portable new car don't reach trenches. Voila. We guys can remember it was yesterday he bought this car. I think he does not like it was not the mindset of going to go and wash the car. I think the main reason why he went to wash this car, he just want to show his friends and show off the new car he just acquired. Though big congrats to him, but I don't know the reason we be saying anytime we buy car ain't go like go show up for trenches face. Enjoy the rest of the clip. Share your thoughts on what you guys think. For me, big congratulations to him on his newly acquired G-wagon worth millions of naira. Enjoy the rest of the clip and don't forget to subscribe. Big Vicky, I'm out.
Over cause yeah. Okay, based on theory. No way you do when you go make it. Now, I will want you for G-wagon. Oh, 40.
Wala. You know Allah not for.
No Allah. But we're going to be away. You go G-wagon. You want to cover? Yeah, G-wagon.